everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are making Paper Perk number 11. So I have here these tags. I'm going to show you what to make of them, and it's going to be pretty cool. What we're going to make is we're going to make sort of a large tag with a pocket and like a triple interactive tag, sort of. I'm going to cut all of these and be back. Okay, so I have all the pieces. I'm going to put the smaller ones aside. So this is a really cool blue tag that you can attach to your junk journal, or you can cover it on the other side with some tea dye or coffee dyed paper and then use it as an insert. So we have the tag. I'm going to attach, for this I need a glue stick because I want to attach this piece of paper to the other side. I don't print it directly on this type of paper because then it changes the colors of the design, because the designs are meant to be printed on a white paper. So that is why I'm attaching this on the other side, cutting around, and then we're going to ink the edges. I always like to ink the edges, but it's completely optional. I'm going to ink the edges on both sides. You don't have to ink the edges if you don't want to. You can attach a different type of paper. Also, I'm going to ink the edges of the tag. Again, you can also attach the tag to another piece of paper, whatever you want. So what I'm going to do with this is simply fold it like this, like a little pouch or pocket or of some sort. And then just make sure it is burnished. I'm going to attach it to this, but I'm only going to apply glue on the sides because I want this to go inside of the tag, the pouch. So just a tiny little bit of glue here on the edges. Well, not tiny, but I mean thin line of glue. And then we're going to attach it in the center like this. And then we have this opens up like that. This going on the inside. And now we can embellish it. What I like to do is have this as some sort of a closure. So what I'll do, I'm going to attach this. I want to make it a little heavier, a little thicker. So I'm going to attach it to this paper, to the tea dye paper left over that I have. Cut around it, ink the edges, and then this one is going to hold it like this. So we're going to apply glue on the bottom. And then center it. And then I want to add this flower. Can add the flower here, or let's see where to add this guy. Let's add it here. A little bit of ink on the butterfly. So butterfly and the paper, or let's add the butterfly on the bottom. Now we can't add it on the bottom because it needs to open, so I'm just going to add it on the top. Like this. And then the flower. I'll add that here. Let's ink these edges. It's not going to be very visible, but it will create a contrast. Really like the blue colors of everything. So what we have here is our tag. Of course you can punch a hole and add a ribbon of some sort if you want. And then we have this opens up like this, and you can add a photo here, or a journal. And this is how it looks. So let's bring our journal where we're going to put it. Let's put it here. Doesn't cover the entire page, but it's still pretty cool with the tag and the pouch. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go to the Facebook group Paper Perks to download all the printables. Of course, you have a link in the description under the video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.